achieve the look that you're expecting much better. So let me apply the matte top coat here for 60 seconds. We are going to using a delight, and I'm gonna share with you just one fusion inks, so then you won't be confused for all the beginners who is start playing with fusion inks or any other design marbling. So you won't have to get troubleshootings buying like kind of bleeding a lot of like what happened, why it just keep bleeding in the colors, it doesn't look defined to me, I couldn't create the marble veins, and is all the questions will be answered when I'm doing this. Look, I'm gonna do it with one colors. You can mix and match so many colors if you prefer. In this one I am going to do one colors only, and this is that two things that we need is color delights and crystal clear. We can also using is our gel painting or chamfer foil to make like modify the veins. Great. Let me go into this one. I'll give you 1 second. I'll share quick for everyone. Oh, happy Thursday, everyone. Okay. Oh, look at that matte. It's way matte. It's like a no stroke or. Okay. So first, I am going to apply like probably you can do 3 layer or 4 layer, and how many times you prefer. It really depends on you what you like to do. Make sure the lighting is okay. Okay, so I'm going to. It's interesting. It's really nice. It's really light though, everyone, but I like it. We're gonna create the looks of it. I'm gonna do maybe about 3 or 4 times. You can do so many times you want to, okay? It doesn't have to be just many times that I was sharing with you. So if you're first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and such. You start seeing it, it's just like really, oh, in your end it looks really nice and vibrant. I probably have too much lighting around me, so it looks like it's so like blending, but actually it's not. So now I just need a number 12 only, and as you see that it start getting dry, so number 12 is crystal clear, and I always have a piece of paper here so then I can wipe off the excess the colors on the brush before I dip the brush back in. Here, let me move here so you can see it. Okay, wipe off pretty much all that crystal clears and just have a little bit, but basically you don't have much left in there, and then you can start working. It's really light though, if you can see that. You might seeing better than me because with the lighting it feels really light to me, but I guess it's on your end it looks good, because in other and phone that I see it looks really stunning. You can also add this one is welcome hugs. I think it looks good as well, and you can do this as a nude base, however you want to do yours base, like a background, you mean? Just want to a little bit. If you want to watch more episodes of ours fusioning, you can head over to IGTV. If you're on IGs a lot, you can go to our IGTV and check it out. So many episodes, so many, like probably hundreds of them for different products that we have. And then, or you can watch it over on YouTube, Facebook has a lot of them as well. We're trying to keep and save it there for everyone can watch it later, because we know that sometimes you're busy with family and with works and you don't get to watch all of them. So please head over there and you can check out all the different video. Great. It looks, this one looks good in the white though. So I'm gonna get some gel painting, a golden touch, and I am gonna using other two is a gel painting of jet black. So let's see together, we're gonna play together and see how it turned out. I'm using my twin tip brush, just in case you needed it. Okay, golden touch. Sorry, my nails, I'm trying to. Okay, just a little bit. You don't have to necessarily like doing a black one. You can do a white one, it looks good as well. Can Facebook and Instagram see me okay? Just want to say hello to Instagram and Facebook, okay? How everyone doing today? Hope you all have a great Thursday. Somehow I was thinking it's a Wednesday, but I believe it's today is a Thursday. And you can do this with the white color, the background white color. So whatever background you have is gonna make a different look for this nail. I don't know how to aim, but my hands look stunning. Okay, great. So if I'm happy with this, I'm gonna flash cure it for about 30 seconds. Great. Tip and trick how to clean the brush. Can you get me the plates? I just have the plates right here. Is where I want. I found it. So just a no wipe top coat, and you're gonna drop one drop right there. If you have a base, either way, base or gels, and then just swirl the brush and it's release all that pigment from a gel painting off. I can wipe it off and dip into the next colors. Hi ICJ Nails, hi Daisy, hi Foxy Luxy, hi Airs, how are you? Debbie, hello. Where did you keep them from? Tip doesn't harden from the lights. You mean the brush? The brush, you need to do is just after you wipe it off, you make sure every single time you apply on, you have to wipe them up, Nikki, and then you're gonna cap on. It's like put the caps right on, because sometimes you lay it on your stations have a lot of lightings around you. It's will over time, it's gonna cure completely yours, and that's why it make it harden. Sarah was saying it's one of the video showing you how to fix them from a really stressed brush to the point to shake the brush by using really hot boiling water. That's the water that you can make the teas with. That's one will straighten your brush. But then I don't know if you can if you the point that if it cures so much, then it's really damaged your brush and you should get the new one instead of trying to fix it. I don't know if it's gonna really straighten it or the brush got cured already. The bristle, I mean. So if you're happy with this, then you can cure it for 60 seconds. This is a golden touch. I freaking love this one. The pigment is so amazing. Like just a little touch and you can see how far it go. Just little go a long way. Jet black and golden touch. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this one to make sure. There's so many different colors that I did for the fusioning, so please head over to IGTV when we have some time. You can see all different designs over there. And so with this, we're gonna do the drop. This is super cute. And so we have the biggest. We probably don't have it. The smaller one at the moment with me, I might have it. How's everyone doing today? Wish I have a bigger one, but oh, hey, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Before that, I'm gonna bend this one out. Like I have this one, but I want to show you this. The little guys right here is bender. You might see the different color, but they're doing the same thing. What it's supposed to do is bending all of your frame. You have the big pieces. Like this one, I have the white star, because a lot of you were seeing us doing the pink one. Doesn't matter what side you're going. It's gonna come with like two sides, smaller and a bigger or longer, and just lay it's right where it's supposed to, and just press it down. You know what? It's so brand new. I just opened it package for you. This is so smooth and brand new. Hold on, let me leave it up so you can see better, because my nails, I couldn't do it with my nails longer. Great. See, you see how it is? Bend it. Now it's curved nicely for me. From a flat one, and then it's curved really nice. It's bent nicely. Right there. Great. Okay. It's come with several different colors. And can I get the nails, please? I am going to using condensed glue gel. If you're, let me see. Show this one first, and then we're gonna go into the crystal placement.